It For Pakare is an initiative yatakatanga pano papakare Paye for Dr. Oliver Mtukudzi. It's an initiative yatakatanga that is trying to give the platform for artists out there to showcase their talent.
So shall you reap. For nothing lasts forever, and now you cry, and say you tend a new leaf, but strangely cannot find your way home. You know what they say, the devil can cite scripture for his purpose. You forgot where we are, where we've been, and why. Chose instead to live in fantasies and not build stable foundations where you stood. There you stopped and stepped yourself into different kinds of horror. Anyone who's done this will tell you how hard it is to pray for someone that they're angry at. On my knees I choke and cannot get the words out. Tears sting my eyes as anger boils my insides. Like the burning lava of an erupting volcano, I choke some more. And instead of praying for you, I pray for myself instead, asking him to forgive me for this much anger and anguish, for this much bitterness that will consume me if I allow it. Torn between anger and worry, I pray. Dear brother, your mother cries for you. Please, come back home.
Thank you. My name is Richie, and I'm going to perform a song that's Ghetto Boy. Enjoy.
Maybe I don't deserve you. Maybe I was meant for the reeds off the riverside. Maybe just as the saying goes, it takes two to tango. I'll just choose the true, 'cause your perfection is extra vivacious and so rich with empathy. It's a perfect time to show you how much you mean to me. I've fallen head over heels.
You're knock me down. This is the bullets from me naked for this heaven. Girl, I'm a soldier, ever fighting for your loving. You are my soul provider. You take me higher. You are the pen of the fire. My number one love supplier. You are all the colors of the rainbow. Heavenly beauty of an angel. Cause I love how you see too. Cause I close my eyes to see. Baby, I'm getting crazy, oh. You should be my lady, oh.
Soccer non zero